As you might be able to tell, Carol and I are visiting the Air Museum here in Ottawa, and there is a beautiful snowbirds plane. Very cool, just suspended over me. Could fall any minute and crush me. So there's lots of little rules. They've got social distancing pads on the ground, and then we had to make a scheduled time, and we have to start at that time. You're allowed to stay as long as you want, but you have to follow the direction in the arrows. Once you've visited a spot, read the things you want to read, take your pictures, you kind of have to move to the next section. But again, you're allowed to stay in each section as long as you like. Other people have to kind of go around you if they want to skip it or just pass you. But you just have to maintain your social distancing. Again, he says you can do the whole thing in 20 minutes if you like, or you can take your time, and it takes hours if you want. So it'll take you long. So it's $15, $15.50 per adult, and children are free. Families $39. Of course, price list is left. But then you just grab a map. It's got all the planes. Cool. So we have to use our hand sanitizer before we go in. Alright, let's do it. This is his actual suit. That's awesome. There's the Canadian Space Arm.